Question 5. Car driver travels at 52 kilometers per hour, applies brakes with uniform acceleration in opposite direction. Car stops in 5 seconds. Another driver going at 3 kilometers in another car applies his brakes slowly, stops in 10 seconds. Plot a speed time graph for two cars. Which car travel farther after brakes application? In this question, it is dealing with two cars. One is traveling at 52 kilometers per hour. The other car is traveling very slowly at 3 kilometers per hour. Now this person applied brakes and the car stopped in 5 seconds, and this person took 10 seconds to stop his car. Basically, you should understand that if a person starts with 30 kilometers per hour speed and continuously increases his speed, the graph will look up. Increase is positive and the graph will look in the upward direction. Decrease, if the graph looks downwards, it means that the vehicle will come to stop, because the speed will be 0 here and it will be something else here. So the graph basically works itself downwards, and that is the meaning of coming to rest. Children, two cars are going, and who is telling us this entire story? Yes, the observer is telling the positions of these two cars, and he is saying that both are traveling at some different speeds and both are coming to rest because of application of the brakes, and naturally acceleration will act in the opposite direction of movement of the car, because acceleration here is the stopping force that will bring the car to rest. Now you see, our observer is seeing that one car A is traveling at 52 kilometers and has come to rest in the 5th second. So in the 5th second the speed is 0 for car A. This is our car A. And next, the same observer is saying that another car which is traveling at 34 kilometers is also coming to a stop after 10 seconds time, and due to the application of brakes the speed has become 0. Now the speed needs to be converted into SI units because the time has been given in seconds. Therefore this will come to 260 by 18 meters per second. This is the speed or velocity, we can say, and the time taken here is 5 seconds. Therefore the area under this graph, which happens to be a triangle, will give the displacement or the distance covered by the first car. Therefore, which is half into AO being the speed and BO being the time, half into base into this being the base into height. So applying this very simple logic, this will be cut off and I can apply this to 130, and this is the distance covered by car A before coming to the halt. Actually the question says that it is at 3 kilometers, so the graph will be like this. It will be meeting 10 here, so this point will be COB. Therefore 3 is the height and 10 is the base. 3 is the height and 10 is the time taken, 10 seconds and 3 kilometers per hour, and conversion of 3 kilometers will be done by 5 by 18 for meters by second would be achieved, and here in time is in seconds. This and this will go. So our question, which car traveled farther after brake application? The one traveling with 52 kilometers per hour, even though it has traveled for only 5 seconds, it has traveled a distance of 36.1 before coming to rest, and the car B has traveled only this distance but has taken a longer time and also a very less speed. It is not, the question comprises of the 3 kilometers per hour. The car is traveling very slowly.